Hello kids, good morning everyone. Welcome to my class. This is Pooja Yadav, your GK teacher. As you all know students, GK means that is general knowledge. It's a mixture of all subjects. So let's see our first unit. Our first unit is all about animals. It covers so many topics like aquatic animals, animals' diet, uncommon animals, and identify some different types of animals. So let's begin with the first unit, that is nice nature, and it's all about animal diet. You know students, there are different types of animals and all the animals have their different eating habits. Can you know students? Can you categorize them? So let's start. As we can see, let's write, animals. Let's categorize them with three different 1, 2 and 3. So let's start. The first we can write here, that is herbivores. Later on I'll tell you the detail about all the different types. Next is carnivores. And the next is, you can see, omnivores animal. And students, you know there is one more type, that is scavengers. So let me write here, scavengers. So as you can see students, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. So now let's come to the herbivores. You can see students, there are different types of animals. Some are big animals and some are small animals. As you can see the pictures, big animals, for example, lion or hippopotamus, an elephant, okay, and small animals, squirrel, cat, dog and so many others. Now let's see. Now let's come to carnivore, herbivore and omnivores. So first come to carnivore or herbivore. Let's see. Let's understood first carnivores animal. The animals which eat the flesh of different animals, they are known as flesh eating animals, or you can say carnivore. For example, lion, tiger, a fox. So they are also known as flesh eating animals or carnivores. Okay, now let's come to herbivores. You know students, what are herbivores animal? Herbivores animals are animals those who eat leaves of plants, grass. Okay, so they are plant eating animals or herbivore. So let's write plant eating animals. So carnivores and herbivores. Now let's come to omnivores animal. What are omnivores animal? Omnivores animals are the mixture of these two. It means the animals, those who eat plants as well as the flesh of animals. They are known as omnivores. So omnivores are the mixture of plant and flesh, both. Okay students, so these are the three different types, categories of animals according to their eating habits. Now let's come to again herbivores. Now let's see the details. Okay, Now you can see the examples like herbivores. As I told you, they are plant eating animal. So you can see so many examples of herbivores like zebra. Next is rabbit. You can write here rabbit. Or so many other examples are there like elephant, cow. So you all can write cow, elephant. So these are some examples of herbivores. As you can see this picture also, these are zebra, rabbit, cow, giraffe, elephant. These are plant eating animals, or you can say they are herbivores. Now students, let's come to the next one. See the next examples. Now let's see the next examples, that is carnivorous animal. So carnivorous animal, as already we had discussed, the animals which are eating flesh of other animals, they are known as carnivores or flesh eating animal. So let's see the examples. Let's discuss the examples of carnivore animals. Yeah, you can write lion, tiger, or you can see so many leopard also you can write. Or you can see jackal is also there, fox is also there, wolf. So these all are carnivorous animals, or you can say they are flesh eating animals also. So I think you all understood the herbivore and carnivorous animals very well. Now let's come to the omnivorous animal. What are omnivorous animal? Already we had discussed the animals which eat both, like plants as well as flesh of other animals. You can see examples also like crow, like you can say bear, crow, bear, and so many different types of animals. They are omnivorous animal. Okay, now let's come to the next one, that is scavengers. This is the next category, the fourth category which we are discussing. You know students, what are scavengers? Scavengers are the animals which eat dead animals. For example, you can take, let's discuss the examples of scavengers like vulture, or you can say fox also, jackal. These are the examples of scavengers. As you can see the picture also, vulture used to eat dead animals. So these are the examples of scavengers, animals which eat dead animals. Okay, now let's come to our next exercise. As we had already discussed the eating habits, what the animals like to eat, what. So let's say here is a small exercise I am having. So here what you have to do, you have to match the animals with their food. It is already there in your book also, GK book also. So let's discuss. First let's see how many animals are there. See the first one, elephant, lion, snake, rabbit, cow. So these are the animals. Let's see the food like grass, carrot is there, flesh, sugarcane, or rats. So these are animals and their food. So let's match. First is elephant. What an elephant like to eat? What is the food of elephant? Yes, that is sugarcane. Okay, So I had matched it with sugarcane. Next is lion. Now let's see, lion is a which animal? Carnivore animal. So it like to eat flesh. So let's match it with flesh. Now you can see the third one, that is snake. And snake, like food of snake is rats. Now let's see the next one, that is rabbit. And the food of rabbit you all know very well, that is carrot. And the last is a cow, which gives us milk and it likes to eat grass. So as you can see, students, these are the animals and we matched the animal with their particular food what they like to eat. Okay, so now let's come to one more exercise of the same. Here also we have to do the matching. So here monkey is there, like a giraffe is there, tiger and lizard. So these are a few animals. Again we are having the food. So let's see, monkey, it is very common. Monkey like to eat bananas. Okay. Next, giraffe is a herbivore animal and like to eat trees, leaves of plants. Next is tiger, carnivore animal, like to eat flesh of other animals. And the last is, that is lizard. And lizard you can see at your home also. What is the food of lizard? Different types of insects. So here we match lizard with the particular insects. So you can see, students, these are the animals and we matched them with their particular insect. So students, I think you all understood the different categories of animals like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. So now let's come to the next topic of the same unit, that is aquatic animals. So students, you know what are aquatic animals? Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. So as you can see the picture also, these are some examples like jellyfish, starfish, seahorse, dolphin and so other animals also. So let's see here, you have to complete the spelling of these aquatic animals. So let's start with the first one. You have to guess, the picture is already here and you have to see the picture and you have to fill the correct spelling. As you can see, it is jellyfish. So let's complete JELLYFISH, fish. This is jellyfish. You can see the next picture, that is starfish. And what is the spelling of starfish? STAR, star, FISH, fish, starfish. Now next, see the next one. Yes, this is seahorse. So let's complete the spelling. SEACHORSE, seahorse. Now let's see the last, this animal, this fish. Yeah, this is, guess, dolphin. Yes, DOLPHIN, dolphin. So these are the four aquatic animals: jellyfish, starfish, seahorse and dolphin. Now let's see few more. Yeah, you can see the picture also: shark, whale, this octopus and swordfish. So let's complete the spellings of these particular aquatic animals. The first one, you can see the picture also. Yeah, this is shark. So let's write here SHARK, shark. And the next picture is whale, WHALE, whale. You can see the picture of the other animal. Yeah, that is octopus. octopus. So complete the spelling of octopus. And the last one is swordfish. SWORDFISH, fish. So